Join Minnesota Agriculture in the Classroom for an in-the-field learning experience by signing up for a summer teacher tour. We'll visit farms, an ag education center, and processing and manufacturing sites to try hands-on activities and learn how to integrate agriculture into every classroom. Teachers love being actively involved in each stop and learning from farmers and ag professionals about the food, fiber, and fuel systems that keep Minnesota going. Each tour is designed especially for teachers, and no on-the-farm experience is necessary. Tours include transportation, and continuing education units or graduate credits may also be available. Take the opportunity to network, build support, and share resources and ideas with other K-12 educators. To learn more, visit our website and register today.